Now this is a little update on the Fusion tile system, and specifically this is an update on the lock system. I understand after many tiles that actually for the sewer system that I'm creating in the past weeks, it's not necessary to change the lock system tile by tile. It's important to keep this. This is the universal tile lock system that I'm actually at the end of my process, creative process, I understand is enough for create a lot of different tiles. Okay, so for example you can use it for stripe pieces, for four-way pieces, for band pieces, for T pieces. Okay, the principle is the same, just you put this lock system inside, and then with the measurements that you can also check on the first episode, you can have the perfect system locked together without bothering too much about measurement and differences between the tiles. So let's check the video how to build this simple lock system, and basically you can check in the link on the description below. I put the measurements reference so you can actually check the dimension that you need in millimeters, so it will be great. Okay? First of all, print the PDF that you can find in the link on the description below. Then we take our Truthful graphics chipboard and we cut a 10 by 10 centimeters tile. Here we mark the measures of the Fusion tile system. In this case we have 19, 12, 38, 12 and 19. And then we connect the dots. Here I'm using a template, a 12 by 12 chipboard square that I use for mark actually the insert in the cardboard. Then we cut, take your time and do a clean work. And that's it. This is the universal lock piece. If you check the previous episode on the sewer tiles, you will see that we put this piece inside as a sandwich, in our sewer tiles. And this one can fit perfectly with every different piece. Yeah, nice. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!